I'm really excited and full of energy today, because we're going to set up a GRE tunnel between two MikroTik routers, step by step. This video is suitable for everyone, whether you're a beginner or an advanced user. GRE stands for Generic Routing Encapsulation, and it was developed by Cisco to tunnel traffic between networks. We'll go through all the steps step by step and also tackle any potential issues along the way. So make sure to stay with me until the end of the video. Let's get started. As you can see in the diagram, I have two routers named R1 and R2. Router 1 has the IP 10.1.1.100, and Router 2 has the IP 20.1.1.100. Through the GRE tunnel on MikroTik, I wanted to connect these two routers. Between these routers, there's a network segment that I want to link Ether 2 of R1 to Ether 2 of R2. Additionally, I've connected Ether1 of both MikroTiks to an access Winbox, so I can manage the MikroTiks from my own system. For Router 2, the IP I've assigned is 80.1.1.0/24, and for Router 1, the IP I've assigned is 70.1.1.0/24. I'll open the mini box and connect to R1, that is, Router 1, via MAC. I'll click on a new mini box and connect to R2, that is, Router 2, via the MAC address. I'll arrange them side by side and hit the plus control to zoom in a bit for better view, and I'll remove the extra icons like data, memory, CPU, and uptime from both mini boxes. On Router 1, I'll go to the Interfaces section and swap Ether 1, Ether 2, and Ether 3. I'll rename Ether 1 to Access Winbox. And I'll rename Ether 2 WAN and Ether 3 LAN. I'll go to Router 1, to the IP addresses section, and I'll assign the IP 10.1.1.100/24 to Ether 2. I'll also add a comment called WAN, and then I'll go to Router 2, to the IP addresses section, and assign an address for Router 2, or R2, as shown in the diagram. The IP I'll assign is 20.1.1.100/24. I'll enter 20.1.1.100/24, then click Apply and OK, and afterward, I'll copy the IP of Router 2 and then I'll go to Router 1, open the Tools section, use Ping, paste the IP, and hit Start. I'll do the same on Router 2 as well. And as you can see, Then, I'll go to the IP DHCP client section and uncheck the Use Peer DNS and add default route options so that it uses just one route. I'll close the extra icons. And then I'll go to the IP interface list and hit the plus sign for the GRE tunnel, open both ends, and configure the GRE tunnel. In Router 2, in the GRE tunnel interface that I've opened, I need to enter the remote address, which is the IP of the opposite router, that being 10.1.1.100. I'll do the same thing for Router 1 as well, and I'll explain the keep alive time. The keep alive time means that it's set to 5 seconds, so every 5 seconds, it checks whether our GRE tunnel is up or not, and it does this 3 times in total, meaning it repeats this check 3 times. We can even enter an IP secret in the IPsec section, but we should check the Allow Fast Path option. However, the truth is that if we're not exchanging sensitive information between the two routers, then it's fine to leave the IPsec secret out, because it can increase the MTU and slightly reduce the speed. Our GRE tunnels are now established, and now we'll move on to the LAN, our Ether 3, on both Router 1 and Router 2, and we'll define our LAN IPs. For Router 1, we'll assign the IP 70.1.1.1/24. And for Router 2, we'll also assign the IP 80.1.1.1/24. Now I'll test the LAN IPs on both sides. I'll ping the IP 80.1.1.1 from Router 1, and you'll see that there's no connection yet, and now we'll need to resolve this issue /. I'll assign the IP 30.1.1.1/30 on the GRE tunnel interface. And for Router 2, I'll do the same, but with the IP 30.1.1.2/30. And as soon as I click OK, you'll see that our ping and connection are perfectly fine. Our work with MikroTik is complete, and now I'll go to the monitor section and double-click on PC2 and PC1 so that I can set the desired IPs on my clients. Oh, sorry about that. On PC2, I was supposed to set the IP 80, and I accidentally set the IP 70. My mistake. After setting the IP, our two PCs, which are on different networks, are now communicating with excellent quality and full connectivity. I hope, dear viewers, that you haven't been bored and that you thoroughly enjoyed our video. Please support me through comments, likes, and subscriptions, and if you have any feedback or suggestions, let me know.